Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is Amanjyot and today this is our 5th class regarding MCQ series, that is a target MCQ series for principles and practices of banking for your November attempt. Okay. So before starting the session, let me know, am I audible to all of you, and the PPT is also visible. Are we good to go? Okay, so everything is okay. Let's start today's session. So we have started MCQ series, that is a target series in which we are practicing 5 MCQs, discussing in detail, having an explanation about all the questions, and then we are end the session with the explanation and conceptual understanding of the particular topic. Okay, so let's start today's session. Before starting the session, one thing is important, that if you have not subscribed the channel Officers are 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application, because with the help of application you will be able to know that how many batches are running, which are going to help you to prepare for the JAIIB exam or any other subject or any other exam you want to prepare. Okay, very good morning Aju. Good morning Ananta. So let's start with the first question. What you have to do, you have to answer the question, and at the end of the session I am going to ask you that how many questions answer you have given correct. Okay, so let's start with the first question, that is talking about the retail banking. So retail banking, wholesale banking and international banking is one chapter in the module A of principles and practices of banking, as we all know. So let's start with the first question. So question is asking, which of the following is our advantages of retail banking for banks? So which of the following will be the advantage of retail banking for the banks? So when we talk about types of banking, what is bank? If we talk about what is bank, simply bank is a financial institution, or bank is a lawful organization which accepts deposit and provide withdrawal on demand and also provide the basic facilities of loan, that is bank. But when it comes to the banking, what is banking? Banking is the functions, banking is the services which is provided by bank to the customers. Okay, under the Banking Regulation Act 1949 section 5b, banking is defined as all the functions and or we can say the services which a bank is providing to the customer, that is your banking. So as per the work of the bank, what services bank is providing to the customer, as per those services we have divided the types of banking in multiple types. Okay, so we have retail banking, wholesale banking, international banking. Apart from that, we have universal banking, para banking, onshore banking, offshore banking, virtual banking, shadow banking, narrow banking, etc. So there are multiple types of banking. So here the question is asking about the retail banking. So which of the following are the benefit, or we can say the advantage of retail banking for banks? So the first option is saying retail customers bring other businesses to the bank. So whoever the retail customer of a bank is there, that retail customers bring the other businesses to the bank. Okay, second is saying that retail banking makes deployment of funds easy and safe. Okay, retail banking makes deployment of funds easy and safe. Third is saying retail deposits are stable and constitute the core deposit, with the low cost being less sensitive to the interest. And fourth is saying all of the above. So which of the following is the benefit or advantages of retail banking for the banks of our country? Is it A, B, C or D? What will be the right answer? Okay, so if we talk about the question number first, and we are talking about the retail banking, what is retail banking? Simply the type of banking in which services is provided to the individual customer. Okay, the services which is provided to the individual customer, that type of banking is known as your retail banking. When it comes to the wholesale banking, you are providing services to the businessmen, okay, to the entities. When you are providing funds to the entities, or you are providing funds to the businessmen or corporates, that is your wholesale banking. When it comes to the retail, you are providing services to the individual person. Deployment is distribution kind of thing, that you are uh, allocating funds. Okay, the allocation of funds will become very easy and safe in the retail banking. Ajay is saying D, that is correct, that all of the above are the advantages of retail banking for banks. So right answer will be your D option. Okay, now next is P notes are like contract notes issued by. So when we talk about P notes are actually participatory notes. These are participatory notes. These are also represented as PN. PN also known as participatory notes, P notes also known as participatory notes. So the question is asking that P notes are like contract notes. It is issued by which of the following? First is saying foreign institutional investors to entities that want to invest in the Indian stock market but do not want to register themselves with SEBI, that is the regulatory body of our investment market. Second is saying commercial banks to the internet investor. Third is saying government of India to banks, and fourth is saying bank issue to their NRI customers. What does NRI customer means? Non-resident Indian customers of a bank. So the participatory notes are issued by whom to whom? What will be the right answer? A, B, C or D? Achha, if we talk about participatory note, this is a method of investing in foreign country without registering themselves in the regulatory body. Okay, so first of all, we have heard about foreign investments method. There are multiple types of foreign investment method. Like say for example, FDI is a one of the method of foreign investment. FII is one of these method. FPI will be there. Then we have ADR, GDR and IDR. Then we have P notes also. So all these are the types of foreign investments, or we can say the methods of foreign investment by which we can invest our money in foreign country. Okay, so when it comes to the participatory notes, what is participatory notes? There is a foreign investor. It can be individual person, it can be partnership, it can be individual corporate, it can be anything. Okay, but it is the foreign investor. So when the foreign investor wants to invest in Indian company's security, the foreign investor want to invest in Indian security or Indian company's security, but this foreign investor do not want to register himself or herself or any entity which wants to purchase the shares of the Indian company but do not want to register themselves in the SEBI. Now what is SEBI? SEBI is the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is a regulatory body of our investment market. So the foreign investor do not want to register itself but wants to purchase the Indian company security. So this foreign investor will go to the Indian based broker. Now this Indian based broker, when the broker is working in India, it means this broker is registered already. Yes or no? If you are working as a broker, that means you are selling and purchasing the security. You become the mediator for the persons who wants to invest in the share market. That it means you are registered in the share market. So this Indian based broker will purchase the shares of Indian company or the securities of Indian company and sell to the foreign investor who are not registered, and then these shares will be known as your P notes, that is participatory notes. Okay, so what will be the right answer? Right answer will be your A option, that is foreign institutional investors issues the participatory notes to the entities that want to invest in Indian stock market but do not want to register themselves with the SEBI. So the foreign investor can be your entity, it can be individual person also, right? Very good, Aju and Sri Rama and Kameshwar. All the three you have given the right answer. Very good. Right answer will be your A option. Next question is, which of the following is the least offered product by Indian commercial banks? So these are the products which are issued by Indian commercial banks to their customers. So which of the following is the least offered product? Is it RTGS? Is it internet banking? Is it depository services? Is it broking services? So least provided service or least offered product by the Indian banks is, what will be the right answer? Okay, D. Aju is saying D. Rajan is also saying D. What about rest? Sonam is also saying D. Okay, very good. So the right answer will be your D, that is broking services. It is the least offered product by the commercial banks. Very good. So right answer will be your D. Next, benefits of core banking is. So what is core banking? That is represented as CBS also. Core banking solution. Under this, core stands for centralized online real-time exchange. So the core banking service is a type of service. It is a technology which helps the banks to provide the services at a central level. It means wherever the customer is, he or she can use their bank account or can have a banking services from any other branch. Okay, so now with the help of core banking solution, uh, the banks are centralized now. Each and every branch will have the information about the another branch, and that's make easy for the persons to make it available to customers all the services what they want at any location. Earlier what used to happen, earlier when we are talking about banking system, what used to happen, if you want to issue demand, if you want to have a demand draft, you want to clear your check, what you have to do, you have to go to your only bank branch. Okay, you have to go your home branch and then your services will be provided. But now you can have your services from any branch of that particular bank, and the purpose behind it or the reason behind it is that core banking solution. So CBS stands for core banking solution, which includes the centralized server of all the all the branches of a bank. Okay, so first is saying reliable centralized data recovery is there, data warehousing and data mining technologies will be there, integrated customer centric services is there. So which of the following is benefit of core banking solution? Which module you should read first is module B. Module B is very important. It covers almost 20 to 25 marks of your syllabus. Okay, so you should start with the module B first and then go with the A, C, D and E. Okay, now do make sure you are not skipping any module or any topic, because all the modules and topics to cover is important. Okay. Everyone is going with the D option. That is very correct. D option is correct. All of the above are the benefits in core banking in India, banking system. Okay, very good. Now, first of all, those candidates who are live in the session, do like the session immediately, and then we will move to the next question. So the right answer of this particular question will be all of the above. That reliable centralized data recovery system is there, data warehousing, data mining technologies will be used, integrated customer centric services will be provided. So right answer will be your D option. Very good. Now next, which of the following factors can help a bank to survive in a highly competitive retail market? So which of the following services should be provided by bank so that the bank will be able to attract the customers in comparison to its competitor? okay, to attract the customers more in comparison to competitor. So which of the following factors can help a bank to survive in a highly competitive retail market? So as we can say, retail banking is the banking services provided to the individuals, and now there is a lot of competition in the market regarding the retail banking. So what should a bank do? First is saying fair, transparent and non-discriminatory pricing you should provide to your customers. Second is saying commitment towards fair treatment to their customers. You have to give the fair treatment to your customers. Third is saying ability to churn out innovative and differentiated products by harnessing cutting edge technology. So which of the following factors will be helpful for the bank to survive in the competitive retail market? Very good. So the right answer will be your D, that is all of the above. If you are providing fair services, if you are committed to provide the customers good services, if you are able to introduce the innovative and differentiated product by harnessing cutting edge technology, then it will become more favorable services for the customer in comparison to other bank services. Okay, so right answer will be all of the above. Now let me know, out of 5 how many questions you have answered correct. Out of 5 how many questions you have answered correct. Now one information for all of you, that your JAIIB November batches are going to start. This is the today is the day in on which your bilingual batches is started. So there are two types of batches. First is English medium batch and second is your bilingual batch. So bilingual batches is starting from today onwards. On 18th of July it is going to start, and the timing will be your early morning and early evening for the batches. So for the English medium batch, time is your early morning, and for the evening batches you have a late evening timing. Okay, so what you get in these batches, 140 plus hours live classes will be there, in which you can interact with your mentors. Then 60 plus ebooks will be given for all the 3 subjects. 80 plus topic wise tests will be there. When I have discussed the important strategies what you should use to prepare for the JIB exam, I have told you that whenever you have completed the particular topic, do start the topic wise test of that particular topic, so that you will know whatever you have studied in that particular topic is actually useful or not for your exam. Okay, so 80 plus topic wise tests will be available, and recorded videos will be available 24/7. If someday you miss your live class, you can watch the recorded class also. Okay, so these are the services which you will find in the English medium batch or bilingual batch. In bilingual batch, your content will be in English and the explanation will be bilingual. Okay, now to enroll in any of these batch, bilingual and English medium batch, you can use a code that is Y496. If you use this code, you will get 78% discount on the product if you purchase this product from our 24/7 application. Okay, apart from that, it is also important to give a full length test. That is important because that let you know that you are preparing in the right direction or not. So do make sure topic wise test you are giving, and also the full length test you are giving. Okay, so to enroll in the test pack, what you have to use a code for Y496S. This code will give you 18% discount on the test pack if you purchase from the 24/7 application. Okay, so these are the batches which are very useful for your preparation for the JIB exam. And as you know, from 2023 your syllabus is going to be changed, your subjects is going to be changed. So this is the last chance to qualify these subjects, and we know we have a sufficient time and we are capable of qualifying the exam. So do not make any mistake. Do not wait more to November to come. Start your preparation for today onwards so that you definitely clear this exam in the November attempt. Okay, and that is important. Thank you so much, Kameshwara. Thank you so much, Rajan. So all of you who have not watched the factoring and forfeiting concept, first of all, factoring and forfeiting is a very important topic of your subject. Every time in the JAIIB exam in the principles and practices of banking subject, there will be questions from factoring and forfeiting. Okay, so these are the very two important topics. So if you have not watched, then go to the Officers at 24/7 channel and watch the session. Okay, so this is all for today, and one more information for all of you, that those candidate first of all who has qualified the JAIIB and CAIIB exam in the 2022 and passed the exam in the 2022, so we are celebrating your success with you on 23rd of July at 12 p.m. only at Officers at 24/7 office in Gurugram. So there is a felicitation ceremony to celebrate all of your success, all of your hard work. So first of all, those candidates who are live in the session, if you know someone who has joined, who has been the at 24/7 student and qualified their exam JAIIB or CAIIB, then let them know that there is a felicitation ceremony to celebrate their success. Okay, so that is important that you tell them that there will be a felicitation ceremony, and congratulations to all of you who have qualified this particular exam in the 2022 attempt. Okay. Share the link of factoring and forfeiting. Okay, fine. I will share the link. 1 second. Give me 1 minute. And if you still have any doubt regarding how to enroll in a batch or how to go for a particular subject, or what module you should read first, or what topics you should read first, then do check the generic sessions which I have taken on Officers at 24/7. I have taken all the generic session in which I have given you the guidance that how you can start, what you should do when you are starting, which modules are important, what is the weightage of the subjects, or what is the weightage of your modules. I have discussed everything in the generic session. So what you have to do, you just have to go to the old videos of the Officers at 24/7. You will find everything there. Okay, everything will be available there. And if still you have any doubt regarding the exam or preparation, you can ask in the comment section also. I will answer you there. Acha, you can also find the link of the videos or the sessions on the Telegram channel. Okay, if you have not joined the Telegram channel, then do join the Telegram channel, and you will find the video lectures there also. Okay, I am not finding the link right now. What I will do, I will send the link of the particular session of factoring and forfeiting on the comment section. Okay, do check the comment section. I will send the link on the comment section. There you will find the sessions link. Okay, so let's end the session here, and thank you all for joining the session. If you are new to the session, do subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon, and also share the session with your colleagues who are preparing for the same exam. Okay, so thank you all and stay safe.